This has been one of my practices to avoid so we are testing out this wiring that carrying out the test. Determine if our wiring is actually being this is going to tell later on when we come back to do something where we need to have like reporting or going about it. So we need to make sure that everything done there is right. Alright. Also, the reason why I'm doing this is this wiring was done in my absence and I don't want any drama in the final day, so I need to carry out this test, verify everything. Let's do it. Combine where is in a person, but I do. Combine. How be an initial doing? Okay, name order. Brava. It's only the main simple. Maybe it's here, definitely main one of the boxing. I think they go to be a test between a hand and okay, so we're going ahead to test it with our lamp. Okay, let's go. Let's move on. One thing I discovered during our continuity test was there were some kind of inconsistencies in the wiring, so we have corrected them. That is why we are going ahead to test it with a lamp. Okay, let's go on. Okay, let's go. Yeah, no. Okay. Okay, let's go. All right, let's move on. All right, let's go. Yeah. Okay. 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 The last one. Okay. Okay. All right. So, like I said, use this method to avoid drama. This is the same method we use for lighting wiring. That's especially in the ceiling before POP is done and before plasterboard works will be done. You need to make sure, you need to verify your lighting wiring. That most important to your lighting wiring. You need to verify all these wiring if they are going through, or if it's really it's what you've done or what you've wired it to be.